Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a ghost effect in Alight Motion. First, you'll need to duplicate your main video layer. This duplicated layer will become the foundation of our ghostly image. Next, apply the Gaussian blur effect to this new layer. You can then adjust the blur's strength to achieve your desired level of ethereal haziness, making it subtle or more pronounced for a truly spooky vibe. Now, let's refine the ghost's appearance using blending modes. Select your blurred layer and navigate to the blending options. Try setting the blending mode to lighten or screen to allow the original video to show through, creating that translucent quality. After that, gently reduce the opacity of this same layer. A setting between 30 and 60% often works well, giving your ghost a truly spectral and see-through presence. To bring your ghost to life, we'll add some subtle movement using keyframes. On your blurred and blended layer, set initial keyframes for position. Then, move a few frames forward and slightly adjust the position, creating a gentle, floating motion. Repeat this process to build a wavering, ethereal path. This animation will make your ghost appear to drift rather than stand still, enhancing the spooky atmosphere of your video. For the final touches, consider adding a subtle fade effect to your ghost layer. This can make its appearance and disappearance more natural and less abrupt. You might also experiment with a slight color adjustment, perhaps a cool blue or green tint, to give your ghost an even more otherworldly hue. Once you are satisfied with your spectral creation, simply export your video in your desired resolution and frame rate, ready to share your spooky masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.